Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to remove recycle bin from your Windows desktop. So click on Start Settings, then click on Personalization. Now here click on Theme. Now here the option Desktop Icon Settings. So guys, here we can see desktop icons like recycle bin, control panel, computer, user files and network. So if I want to remove recycle bin, so select it, then click on apply, then OK. And you change your mind and you want to add recycle bin, so again select this box, apply, then OK. So this is the way guys you can remove recycle bin from your Windows PC or laptop. And if you want to keep, so select it, apply and OK. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.